God damn it.
Oh, is it that big building?
I lost 2 heals. Yeah, it's the big log
Oh,
building.
I just got shot from the left. My left, west, south.
Over there, I see him. I don't have ranged weapons. Ooh, that one hit.
It's by the bridge. Oh, he's pushing up towards you by the bridge. In that area.
He hit me.
He's coming. He's right there.
Heals.
You can see him through the wood. One more. Down there.
Got him.
Alright. Perfect. That's not
Yo,
bad.
good job, boys.
That's not what I wanted. One team's right by us, Brian.
Yeah, I can hear him.
Over there, I think. Southeast.
Yeah, in the water over there. I saw him right there, running this direction.
I see here another one. He's running over there. Got one. Did you get there?
4 times I had to shoot him.
Did you get him though?
Yeah,
Oh, there. Pick up the other team's coming.
I don't have bullets for this.
Northwest.
Northwest. Okay.
I'm reloading.
Shotgun's
It's been super
practically
slow.
Back up a little bit.
I got shot at. Someone got shot at.
Here he is. Oh yeah, he's
They don't see me, they don't see me.
330. 315, 330. That direction. Oh, he's moving up right there.
There's 3 people. There's 2 teams. 2 teams. Because there's 3 people. Unless we didn't. I don't. Oh, someone died. Someone died.
I just missed a shot on the guy right there. Right
Yes. 2.
further up.
Oh. There's some 225 also. That direction.
I need the ammo. I got no bullets.
I ran out of vision. 270. Where are you? Are you back? Yeah. I don't have a range gun.
They're not pushing it far though. They're still across the water.
See any of them?
Not
I heard someone die. Someone else picked up the bounty. I don't have any more vision.
Yeah, I got.
He has full vision.
2
They have full
seconds.
vision. They have full vision. I'm gonna try to cross the water.
He's right in front of you. Vision west. 2 of them. 1 to your left, 1 to your right. You're splitting between them.
Are they close or far?
Like 20 to 30 meters. Probably 30 meters. They spread further. Guy on the left's probably your closest. I'm out of vision.
It's over here. I'm out of. I lost a lot of health.
There's birdies on my right. You just shot a bullet at me. Right there.
I'm reloading.
Got one.
Nice.
I'm out of hell. Oh, he's on me. He was on the same as his buddy.
Oh, I thought you killed one. Oh,
I
thought the
did.
guy was on the other side.
No, his.
Yeah.
I heard the guy go down that I killed. So no question on that.